your boy Seth K Bani here. Now I have some free PSD files I want to give you guys. You know how we do on this channel, we give some stuff for free, and so I want to do this stuff for you guys. And then all I want for you is to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon as well. Now I already designed these stuffs on my channel, and so you can easily learn how I created it. Also guys, these files are password protected, so I do not want you to jump straight into it and then download it. But what is going to happen is that I'm going to divide the password into 3 like I always do. I want you to look out for the passwords and then put them together, and then you'll be able to retrieve this file. So this is a birthday flyer. You can see everything is customizable. You know how I design my stuff. And then also the layers are very organized, and so that is how I do my things, and you are really going to enjoy them. It's really nice. You can use them for your next project. Okay, and also a quick one guys, if you are designing this stuff, you know I always tell you I want you to be able to use them, but I also want you to refine them, change the colors, change the fonts, change the images before you even post them anywhere on social media. And I do not want the case whereby I have to hit copyright because I need to claim ownership of the content, you see. So I wish you could just change some details in there so that when I put it on my portfolio it looks like it is mine. You understand me? So I want you to do that. All these stuff, all these elements are in there. They are in there for your. I designed all these stuff and they're in my channel guys. Learn how to design these. It's a very easy way to do it. If you watch my tutorials you'll be able to do it quickly and nicely, and I explain some concepts as well. Okay, so this is how they are all. I'm going to double click this and let's have a look inside. So this is it. Now always my flyers, I have a last one where I apply camera raw filter. Okay, so guys, you have to mute this one first before you can begin to tear the whole thing apart. Okay, before you can begin to look into it. If you do not mute this, you will not see the effect. You can see how I added it one by one, and then I made it a peg. Okay. And then also let's look at the other ones as well. So click on update. Now if you do not have the fonts, guys, don't worry, just check it. Once you see the font, just go and download it, double click it, and it will automatically install for you. Alright, it will automatically install for you. You can see I added colors to it. Now like I said, if you want to edit my distance first, guys, make the first one invisible. Okay. Alright, so that is it. That is it for you. Added it all little by little. Then we have this. Okay, so guys, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel for more freebies that are yet to come. I'm going to give you guys textures, I'm going to give you guys shapes, I'm going to give you guys a lot of elements that are worth, you know, thousands of dollars. If you want to buy them out there, I'm going to distribute them for you for free on this channel. So subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon as well. See you all in the next video. Peace.